Hey guys, so today I'm going to be opening squishy packages that you guys have sent to me for my new series, Fixing Your Squishies. Oh my gosh, I never expected to get so many long-live squishy makeovers because this series is going to be going on for a while. Oh my gosh, do you see this? Do you see this whole box? Oh my gosh. I hope you guys understand how grateful and thankful I am that so many people are willing to put their time and money and effort into this series. I feel like we're doing this series together. It's not just me spending all my time and effort on it. Like, you guys are helping me so much and I really appreciate that. Obviously, we have many victims to choose from. Of course, I'm going to do all of them eventually, but I do 4 at a time. So I want to keep you guys involved in the process of selecting which ones get to go when. Keep your eye out for which ones you really want to see next episode and leave them in the comments and I'll let the majority choose. So let's just start and get into this finally. Okay, and don't worry, I have marked out all the addresses. If you see any addresses, it's mine. It's a P.O. box. It's safe. Don't worry. Okay. Oh my gosh, this box is so beautiful. So this one is from Kiera. Oh my gosh! Look at that! Wow. This is actually really cute though. What is this? It's like a heart brownie. Oh, a strawberry. I did a strawberry last episode, but I could definitely stand to do another one. This little treasure. Ooh, what happened to this guy? This is a project for sure. Wow. Yeah. 3 really awesome candidates from Kiera, so thank you, girl. Okay, and this next one is from Alicia, and she sent me 3 squishies as well. These aren't in too bad of shape, actually. They're a little bit yellowed and dirty, but as far as rips, not too bad, so these would not be too challenging. They still have their cell phone straps and everything. What? Oh my gosh, she made this. It's like a little clay star charm. This is adorable. I love this. Oops. I'm very clumsy, but I do love it. I'm gonna hang this up somewhere so I can look at it all the time. Oh my gosh, this person. So this is Caterbug Kate. I remember her because she comments on a lot of my videos. Hi, I see your comments all the time. Oh my gosh, so this is enormous, huge. Then we have a cute little panda with its head almost coming off. Oh my gosh, you sent me so many. Look at all these little mini ones. And a muffin with the drizzle missing. Ooh, and quite a lot else missing as well. Ooh, a poop. Yay, poop. I see tons of awesome poop squishy designs, so poop has potential, people. Awesome. Wow, so generous. How am I gonna choose? Actually, you guys are gonna choose. Okay, so I just read the note. This is That Kaylee. That's her YouTube name. And she sent me a Panda Bun. Whoa. That is a deep rip. Also a significant amount of dog hair. So thank you. I feel like I've been acquainted with your dog now. This Panda Bun is screaming out in pain. She needs help. So consider this one, guys. Thank you so much, That Kaylee. This is from Evelyn. Oh my goodness. What happened? What happened to this? Okay, so maybe it explains it in the letter. The letter did explain. She explained to me the whole long story. Basically, this was hanging on her backpack and her friends would not keep their hands off of it. So it's been squished a lot by a lot of different people. So yay. Your friends owe you a new squishy. Looks like it was cute at one point though. It's like a little cat ice cream cone. Thank you, Evelyn. Oh my gosh. So this one I've had for a while. It has my face on it. This is from Michael. You decorated it so beautifully. Saltines. Cool. So he sent me a homemade squishy. This one is not for a makeover. It's just a little gift. So cute. It's a little baguette. That is adorable. Oh my goodness. This Hello Kitty waffle. A stack of chocolate chip cookies. Wonderful. These are actually in really good shape. A donut. Wow, this has so many possibilities. I love donuts. And a hot dog. Wow, this is a nice squishy. Oh my gosh. You are so generous. I cannot believe it. This is so amazing. Okay, guys, go back in your house. Okay, next. Oh my gosh, look at these. Look at these. So these are Corina Garcia sprinkles. If you hadn't seen it already, I tested out that kit on my channel. Thank you for these. I'll definitely use these. Y'all know I have a sprinkle addiction. So what do we have here? We have a little croissant, a eat me cookie, a french fry. Ooh, I've never had french fry squishies before. And then a little bun. And these are from Jolie. I just read the note. So thank you, Jolie. Great squishy options. You are wonderful. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, so we've got a little bread. We've got, what is that? Wait, what is this? I have no idea what this is. What is it? It looks like... I'm sure you guys will inform me of what this is if you know. What could it be? Yeah, I have no clue. Oh my gosh, this is freaking adorable. I think I'm in love. It's a little bun with ears and it's a little bunny. No way. Oh, you are not getting painted. No, I'm just kidding. I will paint it, but I don't want to. These are like brand new, but they're like the cheap ones that you buy like 30 at a time. So yeah, these are perfect for makeovers. And this one, ooh, this is like a stress ball, I think. It's a little fish as a stress ball. And look at this rainbow letter, so stinking cute. Oh, thank you. Okay, so this is from Sage. Thank you, Sage. Oh, okay, so this one she didn't write 4 squishy makeovers on the package, but she actually messaged me and told me that. So this actually went in with my regular mail for a while, but then she told me which package it was and I was able to find it. So yeah, this is from Lauren. Okay, so she sent me my mushroom thing. Little mushroom. It's actually pretty cute, but it's got a little chunk out of it. It's a little dirty, a little worn, but it's pretty cute. So yeah, there's a little mushroom guy. Thank you so much, Lauren. Okay, so this one is from Jackie. Oh wow. Oh wow. So we've got this bun, which is plain but cracked. This little bun whose face has been ripped off. We got a lot of minis in here. We've got this little bread. Oh, and this is nice actually. This is a cake roll, a pink cake roll. This is really pretty actually. Awesome. Love the cake roll so much. Thank you, Jackie. So this one is from Harley. They didn't write 4 squishy makeovers on the outside, but I made a guess because the whole package was very squishy. Please write on the outside so that I know, guys, because I don't want to make guesses. But yeah, oh my gosh. These are actually really nice squishies, so maybe they weren't for squishy makeovers. I don't know. I'm confused now. Most of these are actually squeeze toys, though. These are crazy cute. You can't decorate squeeze toys, obviously. They're very different from squishies, but wow, lots of squishies as well. We've got a couple mini ones here, little buns and little animal heads. This, I think, is a tofu, I'm pretty sure. And this one I'm very excited about. It's a stack of macarons. I've seen this before and I wanted to get it, but yeah, I don't have this. So that's awesome. I'm so excited about this one. Thank you so much for this. And a little whale. I've seen these everywhere, but never had one before. So that's amazing. Thank you. These are great. Okay, this is from Kiera. I already had a Kiera, didn't I? I don't think it's the same person though, it's different handwriting. Okay, so this is a Panda Bun. Yes, a green Panda Bun. It has handwritten Panda on the back. Nice touch. Okay, awesome, awesome. So a little green Panda Bun. That is super. Okay, so this one is from Hannah. Her YouTube is Scooby-Doo341. Oh yes! So I've seen the squishy everywhere and always thought it was so cute. It's a little milk carton that's been very well loved. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this one. We've got the milk carton from Hannah. Thank you, Hannah. So this one is from Lexi. Oh, there's a package within a package. Wait, this does say for squishy makeovers, but it doesn't feel squishy. What the? She put it in a little box. Huh, that's cute. This is adorable. It's a little fox head. It's so soft. She drew me a little ice cream cone. It's so cute. Thank you. So you know what? He's going back in his box. That is where he lives, and I'm not ripping him from his home. Not yet. So, yes. Ah. Oh my Look at these. These are homemade polymer clay creations. You're so talented. I absolutely love these. Thank you so much for including those. That is so sweet, and your stationery is on point. So this is the squishy. It's a little bear that's missing its eyes. Poor thing. But this has potential, guys. Come on, you gotta see the potential. Thank you, this was such a sweet package. Okay, so next I have this one from Penelope. I love the cactus bag. Oh my goodness, your packaging. Oh, goodness gracious. So, two little fellas here. This one is something. This one is something. It's something. So it's got a big chunk missing. I wonder if I could do this. I don't know. This is advanced right here. I might have to level up before I can tackle this one. This one is definitely doable, and actually it's really cute. This whipped cream is literally just hanging on. Wow. Thank you so much, Penelope. You've given me something to think about. And this one I love. This is from Lillian. Oh, look at that. That's a tall ice cream. Never seen this one before. Aw, thank you. She drew me a little hippo. That's so cute. She loves rainbows and create this book. Thank you so much for the ice cream. That is perfect. This one is from Nina. And let's see here. We've got the Faceless Twins, two faceless buns. They once did have faces, but they have been removed or ripped off. But that's great. So one is very soft and squishy. The other is just kind of foamy. Thank you so much, Nina. Oh my gosh, this package is so cute. Look at that. This looks exactly like my drawing. When did I draw this? Oh, this is the cupcake from my intro. Oh my goodness. This is from Sophie. So thank you so much. I love that you included this little cupcake drawing. And let's see. Oh, it's a little frog. But she's right. This could be pretty much any animal that you want it to be. It doesn't have to be a frog. In fact, it doesn't really have a frog kind of body. I think this needs to be a different animal. I think you need a species change. I love it. Great. Thank you so much. This is from Eleanor. I'm totally fine with squishy makeovers taking over your channel. Thanks. I'm glad you are, because it might. Let's see the squishies. Oh. We've got a little gingerbread man, and this little, I'm not sure what this could be. Maybe a bear or something. I don't know. It looks like a little mochi, like an animal that's also a mochi. I don't know, but it's super cute. Thank you. Okay, this one is from Ryan. Super decorated envelope. That's pretty awesome. I love that. Please read info first. Oh, information. This person has been watching my videos for like 5 years. Wow. And let's see the squishy. Oh my gosh, it's one of these costume animals. But yeah, it goes in the costume. It's a little bear. So I could keep the costume and work with the colors that are on the costume, or I guess I could repaint the costume as well. Interesting situation here. What do you guys think? I don't want to hurt you, but I kind of have to be aggressive to get you back in there. And thank you so much for watching me for such a long time. That is amazing. Okay, so who is this? Gracie. Oh my gosh, this thing is filled to the brim. Okay. Oh, this has been painted. It looks like maybe acrylic paint, so it's gotten a little cracked. Wait, what is this? I think it might be a slipper or something. I don't know what this is. And, ooh, he is on his deathbed, okay? This guy is in trouble. Will we be able to save you? I don't know, sweetheart. You are dying. Oh my gosh. A tooth. A tooth. Look at that. A tooth. It's a tooth. We've got this one, a little bun. Ooh, this one is super, super cute. Never seen it before. You really went all out and sent me a ton, so thank you so much, Gracie. These are awesome. Another pink bubble mailer. This is from Celia. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's a s'more. Very interesting. I actually really like that. Make over these sad squishies. Okay. Yeah, it is a little sad. It is a little sad, but it will find happiness again. Don't you worry. Oh, a fidget spinner. Nice. I haven't played with a fidget spinner in a long time. Thank you for that. And a little red Panda Bun. Awesome. Oh, okay. Oh, let me not cut off my fingers because I kind of need those to paint. This is from Cadence. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, yes, yes, yes. I love this. This bread thing with a dipped ear and a big chunk missing. This looks like a little egg. This would be perfect for around Easter. And this big cake roll. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. I love the cake roll. I love, love, love the bread. This one has a lot of potential, guys. Thank you so much, Cadence. This one is from Sophia. Oh, some little googly eyes. Cute little addition, love that. And the squishy is a little purple unicorn. Yes, friend, you could use a makeover. Your eyes are falling off. Super cute, love this one, awesome. Okay, who is this? Charlene, okay. Hopefully Charlene hasn't clicked out of the video already. Aw, thank you, Charlene. I love your rainbow writing on the letter, so precious. Oh, a peach, a peach. It's got a hole in its crack. I've seen a lot of designs for peach squishies recently, so I've gotten some inspiration for peaches. And also this little thing, I think it's just like a little bread or something, so awesome. Thank you, Charlene. This is the last one, and this is from the Smith family. These are the sweetest letters. So the story behind these squishies is that the little sister ate them. And little sister has a healthy appetite. Wow. Oh, there are quite a few chunks missing from these. I don't know if I could fix them. I think this one I could probably fix a little bit easier. This one, you might be dead, son. You just need a head transplant. Thank you so much for sending them, and your letters were amazing. I loved to read them. So yeah, that's it. If you've sent me something and I haven't opened it, it's probably still on the way, but I will open every single package that I get on camera from now on, so don't worry. Thank you guys so much. Oh my gosh, my head is like buzzing with ideas because there are so many possibilities here. So I'll show you all of the squishies that I've opened so you guys can look at them all and make your selection. I'm gonna let you guys choose 3 of the 4 that I do. So you guys can choose 3 and then I'll choose the last one. Oh, and don't forget these guys. These I opened last time, but they're still in the running, obviously. So I'm so happy that I got to do a whole separate video dedicated to opening these, because I felt like last time when I just put it in the beginning of the video, it was really rushed. I didn't really get to properly go through everyone's package and thank everyone. So yeah, I'm really happy I got to spend a little bit more time with each person. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited for this series and you guys are the best. Bye!